What's up, guys? FSC Speed Shop. Well, it's official. We're getting ready to go grab this V10 powered Dodge Ram pickup and go put our boat in the water. How do you know we're putting a boat in the water in this video? You see the rain, don't you? Let's get at it.
Yeah, I could tell that. Yeah, you're all off the rollers in the front too.
All right. I don't want to put the truck no deeper. Babe, grab the line. Yeah, set it up there. Grab the stern line for Jen. He's going in. He's going in. He's going in. He's going in.
I kind of got. See you through that, or
I'm coming.
Sorry, I was gonna fall in if I had to.
I was like, you're going.
Hopefully that's on camera. Hopefully that's on camera.
Flicking real.
Yeah, that jump is on camera.
I was like,
I was about to fall in. I was like, no, Superman thing. I'm there.
I'm gonna tie it to this sweet. But I have never had this much problem launching a boat.
We'll learn eventually, because...
I'm gonna yank the trailer out from under it.
Oh, okay. Well, I have to unhook it first.
Right.
Hopefully I can reach.
Let me get it. I'll get it.
Oh shit, hey, my exhaust is under the water.
Who cares?
I can see it.
We're chopping it off. You're gonna have to go deep underwater to get that off.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this.
Got it, Matt.
Got it? God, we're so used to small boats.
Well, we're also used to boat docks that ain't flooded.
That too. I am the captain.
Hey, can you pull the boat back?
Or the other one.
Sit on a trailer. Oh, this is so stupid.
Pull up them legs. We got. I know. Jen, just pull it. Don't untie it.
Hang on.
Hold on.
I see it drop.
Yeah, that hook right there hits that roller.
Weight is sitting on the bow eye.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How do you? You're just gonna pull right out?
I'm just gonna try to pull the trailer out from underneath.
So I'm gonna stay on the boat or try to hop down.
Yeah.
You might never got the buoy.
If you could hop down, go ahead. It's not a buoy, it's a pilot. Babe, she's stuck on the bow eye. When I yank it forward, it's just gonna come flying right off, all right?
The bow eye?
The bow eye is hooked on the roller.
Yeah, if you go forward, it's gonna fall off.
It'll pop off and the front of the bow will settle.
Yeah, but is it gonna whip the bow eye off?
No,
Okay.
it's what you use to yank the boat out of the water with.
What do you need me to do?
Stand there, look pretty.
Aww.
That's easy, right?
Yes, that's the kind of job I want.
Meanwhile, I got the hard part.
I know. Watch your wings coming in, Dad. Alright, she's loose. It's loose. Watch out, watch the time on it. Try not to have the snack. It's loose.
After a little fiasco with the boat launch, the river is very, very high. So where the launch actually starts dipping down for your trailer to actually take on water, by the time your trailer's in that spot, your truck is sitting in the water. We're heading upriver towards Green Bay. Well, we're in Green Bay now, I guess, but we're heading upriver towards the direction of, say, Green Bay downtown, towards De Pere, all of that. I just wanted to run upriver. Should I have any issues, we have the current to bring us, or help bring us back towards the boat launch. Game plan is we're just going to play around a little, go behind us out to Longtail Point, do a little swimming, and then park it in the marina. so far it's a different ride, being it's not on a trailer. It moves like a boat, you know, it sways, and I'm certainly impressed with the size of it. This is my first mid-cabin, so I've never driven a boat this large, to be honest with you. It's not intimidating, but it certainly is different. It's like you're driving a limousine from the back of the limousine. I'll show you. That might not look like a lot from your perspective, but to me it's a pretty good length of boat out there. Yeah, it is a bit dirty still. We still got to do a bunch of cleaning, but the weekend is what it is, and we had the opportunity to go for a ride. So today's boat ride day, make sure everything's good. Temperature's holding good at 145 or just under. Oil pressure is a touch over 40, maybe almost 45, 50, closer to 45. And we're just running around about 1,000 RPM. Everything's going good. My depth gauge works too, 30 feet of water. It's saying almost 80-degree water temperature. I don't know if I believe that though.